We're on the banks of the Main River. Directly opposite is the boathouse, the rowing club that Ernst and Dr. Ugo Nördlinger founded. That was taken by the Nazis, as everything else, with beautiful rows. This is a measure of how high the Main River has. That's about 6 feet 5. 1799, 1880, 1882, 1784. Okay, that's about 5 feet 6. Yeah, that's about 5 feet 6. This is how tall I am. So in 1882 it went over my head. Okay. Mm. 1925, 1920, 1909. Now it's covered with rose hips. That is a lot of water. My gosh. So I'm just walking. I just made a video of this tower, but then my battery ran out, so I'm on a different camera. So anyway, this Canon does better in low light. So there we are. There it is. Oh, this is a gorgeous area. Oh, look at that. It goes all the way out. That wall continues. I had not seen that before. Let's see what's on the other side of the wall. Playground. School. Not sure. Oh, this is lovely. This is the best time to be walking around here because there's no one here and the light is gorgeous. Okay, it's a kindergarten. Fabulous. And that's the boathouse there. I don't know how big it was when the Nördlingers owned it. No idea. Everything the Nördlingers owned has been ground to dust. So, you can go to Frankfurt to the right. Rheincastel to the left. Oh, look at that lovely bicycle ride there too. Yeah. Germany's all about riding bicycles and healthy people riding bicycles, which is supposed to stop Parkinson's disease, but it doesn't help if where you're riding is past crops that have been dusted with nasty stuff. Which is what happened to Lothar. Oh. So right in front of us is the Main River, and to the right is the boathouse. Yesterday this was filled with people eating and drinking, which is why I didn't make a video of it. But today is Ruhetag. Sunday isn't Ruhetag enough for Germany because the Sunday Ruhetag is for people who work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. And then they come out and relax. But this Monday Ruhetag is for people who've been running restaurants for the others. Germans are very efficient. Coordinating a Ruhrtag is just terrific. So here we have it. Here we have the Main River, which I made a video of this yesterday because I saw some swans. Can't see them now. I followed the swans all the way to the bridge, which is over there. And we had been told on Saturday that the bridge was totally broken down. You couldn't walk across it, couldn't ride a bicycle across it, couldn't drive a bus across it. And we had to go all the way to Wiesbaden east in order to catch a train to come back to Flörsheim from Rüsselsheim. Rüsselsheim is down there, down the river. So here we are, this is the boathouse. Flörsheimer Ruder Verein. So many people on the river. Perfect day for it. So here we have it. Oh, this place was jammed with people yesterday on their bikes. And here we have this thing, which I took photographs of, but I think it's kind of cool to video it. So here we are. So, right when you're standing here and you're reading that, that's what you're seeing. All the way up to the top. So that's it. You can stop the video now and read this. Hopefully you can see it. And here is the second view. And here is the third view. There's the town on the left over there. Here, right with the sun shining in my eyes, which is not cool. Okay. There we are. Okay, let's see. This is the side. Okay. Cool. Look, they use it just to pop their bicycles on. Take photographs of each other. Very cool. Why not? Okay, there's a nice looking place. Oh, there's more planes. Great. Okay, I think that's enough. Susanna J. Dodgson. September 12th, 2022. Oh, that big van was there yesterday. I think people live here. This parking lot was filled yesterday. And what's interesting is I don't really see very many cars driving around, but I see a lot of cars sitting here. And I'm wondering if they're commuting. Okay. Thank you for watching.